Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. My name is Amaka, and in this channel I do hair, beauty, skincare, DIYs, and a lot of things. And as well, I have a cooking channel, and I'll be leaving the link down in the description box, or I'll pin it up in my comment section. If you like my food, please head over to my cooking channel and watch my video and subscribe if you haven't. So yeah, in this video I'm going to show you how I achieve this hair. So this is Xpression. It's just synthetic hair. Yeah, and yeah, I think it's less than £2 or something. Yeah, and I used about 3 packs, even though I didn't finish all the hair. If you haven't seen how I got the curls, I'll be leaving it up there, so for you to watch it. In this video I will be telling you how I crochet this hair into my own hair. So if you want to see how I do it, keep on watching. But before then, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Smash the like button, comment, and yeah, share the video if you can, and tap on the bell icon. In that way you get instant notifications whenever I upload any video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue.
So my lovelies, as you can see, I've finished weaving my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and oil my scalp.
Been through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season.
So I'm going to go ahead and start adding this on my hair. So if you haven't watched how I made this hair, I'm going to put it up there. So yeah, this is do it yourself. This is DIY kinky curls. So I've actually separated this one, so I'm going to be adding this on my hair right now.
The seasons turn and change just like your mind, like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reap me for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like.
So I still have this left, but I'm just going to try and fix everything inside, maybe somewhere there. Just try and make sure everything enters. So see you back.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season.
So my lovelies, this is the final look. I hope you like it. I like it. I just hope you like it. Yeah, this is the back. This is how the back looks. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah,